the Dragon Boat Day. On the 5th day of the 5th month, we celebrate Dragon Boat Day. It's a day full of stories and traditions. A long time ago, there was a poet named Chu Yuan. He loved his country very much. But bad people told lies about him, and he was sent far away. He felt sad and helpless. When his country was taken, Chu Yuan jumped into the river with a heavy heart. People were heartbroken. They threw rice into the river to keep the fish away from him. They paddled boats across the river, beating drums, trying to find him. Now, every year, we remember Chu Yuan with boats, drums, and tasty traditions at home. Kids help Mama wrap zong, sticky rice, yummy fillings, and leaves that smell like the forest. People go to watch the dragon boat race. Boats fly like dragons. Drums boom like thunder. Grandpa hangs herbs on the door. Kids wear a red thread on their wrist. Safe and lucky, Grandpa smiles. With every drum beat and every zong we make, we carry our stories forward. Together, year after year,